In the event that you're searching for the AMP coin value expectation or finding the capability of the AMP coin, this value estimate can be useful for you. Our AMP cost conjecture depends on a profound specialized investigation and the previous exhibition of AMP. Here we will attempt to break down the capability of the AMP coin in the long haul, as information was accumulated from the task site. AMP is an open source and extensible stage for collateralizing resource moves. According to the AMP guarantee, the AMP collateralization is tried, evaluated, and openly accessible for anybody to utilize. AMP token is an all-inclusive security token that was intended to work with quick and effective exchanges for genuine applications. The genuine use instances of the AMP project make AMP coin a promising task. As one of the developing guarantee token ventures, AMP is chipping away at numerous drives. As we found through CoinMarketCap, AMP is recorded in premium trades like Binance, Coinbase, and Gemini. With new postings and the reaction from the financial backers, AMP coin serious areas of strength for looks. Since its day for kickoff, AMP coin has shown broad development in the crypto market. AMP has given an extraordinary revisitation of its underlying financial backers in 2021. When it hits another ATH level, AMP coin costs energized to an untouched high, ATH, of $0.121 in June 2021. From that point forward, AMP token has been showing a negative presentation. According to our examination, the costs of AMP tokens will keep on filling in the following 10 years by outperforming $10 in 2030. As all cryptos are showing negative development, AMP's exhibition is additionally looking sluggish. There are solid prospects that the following bull run can assist the AMP with authoring recuperate in 2023. AMP token value forecast 2023. As all cryptos are down in 2023, AMP's exhibition can be slow. According to our AMP coin cost expectation, it can arrive at a most extreme value level of $0.027 by 2023. Be that as it may, the typical cost of AMP can be around $0.0091. Furthermore, in the event that there is any negative pattern, the base cost of an AMP can be down up to $0.0065. In the following bull rally, the costs of AMP might flood more than our drawn-out AMP coin cost expectation. AMP coin value forecast 2024. There are solid prospects that AMP can get again its situation at the month end of 2024. There is serious areas of strength for that the cost of AMP can hit a normal value level of $0.058 mark by 2024. The year can end with a greatest cost of $0.079 on the off chance that there is any bullish occasion. In the event that there is any negative disagreement, the base value level of AMP can be around $0.031. AMP coin value forecast 2025. According to our AMP cost forecast, the AMP costs can hit another ATH level this year. By 2025, we might expect a typical cost of 12 cents relying available pattern. Our most extreme cost expectation for AMP is 28 cents in 2025, while the base value level can be around $0.095. Assuming that the market gets bullish, AMP might flood more than our AMP coin cost gauge in 2025. AMP coin value forecast 2030. There are signs that the crypto market is going to enter another age in 2030. Genuine undertaking-based advanced resources can overwhelm the market. The year 2030 can end with a typical cost of $9.56, while the base value worth of AMP coin can be around $8.97. Alongside AMP tokens, numerous cryptos can hit their new all-time high this year. The most extreme cost is supposed to exchange around $11.14. Assuming there is any bull rally in 2030, the costs of AMP might soar and outperform our cost figure. AMP token value forecast 2040. AMP coin has extraordinary potential on the off chance that you will hold it as long as possible. According to our drawn-out AMP cost conjecture, the AMP coin costs can hit another ATH level this year. In 2040, we might expect a typical cost of $42.69 relying available pattern. Our most extreme cost expectation for AMP coin is $50.15 in 2040. Assuming that the market gets bullish, AMP might flood more than our AMP coin cost estimate in 2040, while the base value level of the AMP can be around $35.48. Assuming the market gets negative, AMP coin value forecast 2050. According to our AMP coin cost forecast, the year 2050 can end with a typical cost of $93.46, while the base value worth of an AMP can be around $82.13. After such a long excursion, alongside AMP, numerous cryptos can hit their new all-time high this year. In 2050, The greatest cost of AMP is supposed to exchange at around $101.78. On the off chance that more financial backers are drawn to in the middle of between these years, the costs of AMP can be a lot higher in 2050 than our cost figure. Is AMP a wise speculation? According to the ongoing year's exhibition investigation, we discovered that AMP coin is showing slow development. Notwithstanding, AMP coin is quite possibly of the quickest developing task that have a utilization case. Furthermore, cryptos with genuine use cases can areas of strength for be nature. According to our cost examination, the drawn-out interest in AMP coin has all the earmarks of being a decent choice to consider. Despite the fact that the AMP coin costs appear to be bullish, AMP and other cryptos are unstable and can alter their cost course whenever. In the event that you are a shrewd financial backer and like to make unsafe ventures, AMP token can be an extraordinary decision. Cryptos are today the most useful resources as well as the least secure also. Along these lines, prior to going with any venture choice, do your appropriate gamble the executives. Will AMP coin reach $1? As the AMP project is developing, numerous crypto brokers are interested to know, regardless of whether the AMP coin can hit a $1 cap. According to our drawn-out AMP forecast, it can hit a $1 cap somewhere in the range of 2027 and 2028. On the off chance that ongoing development proceeds, AMP is an incredible computerized resource with a genuine use case. Also, in the crypto market, the sky is the limit. As we have found previously, an extraordinary bull run or bear rally can obliterate all the cost forecasts like a flash, so it's difficult to say that the value expectations can be precise. Assuming that more financial backers are drawn to the AMP project, the cost of AMP can skyrocket, and it might hit its $1 focus before our AMP token cost forecast. Is AMP coin a siphon and dump? Because of incredibly unpredictable way of behaving, numerous merchants use to find out if AMP is as long as possible or simply a siphon and dump. AMP frequently siphons a similar dump, yet it's typical in the crypto market. As we examine the previous execution of AMP coin, it is a promising undertaking. In any case, nobody can profess to have the exact value conduct of cryptos. As we have seen via online entertainment and crypto gatherings, AMP is on the lookout as long as possible. Because of the work of the crypto local area, AMP coin costs can soar in the forthcoming years. Notwithstanding, we want to stand by a few additional months to foresee the fate of the AMP coin all the more exactly. How to put resources into AMP coin? As an arising crypto project, you shouldn't confront trouble to find AMP coin. There are numerous crypto exchanging stages that have been as of late recorded as AMP for public exchanging. Assuming you wish to purchase AMPs, the top crypto trades are as of now Binance, Coinbase, Gemini, KuCoin, Bybit, Gate.io, Uniswap, Huobi Worldwide, and Wazirx. By joining on such stages you can, without much of a stretch, add AMP coin to your crypto portfolio. Aside from AMP coin value forecast, we might want to recommend our perusers direct the greatest conceivable exploration prior to making any speculation. AMP looks solid with restricted supply and local area support, yet cryptos are an incredibly unstable resource. Cryptos change their costs like a thrill ride, and they can rise or fall